welcome to another video from Gen Invest. This is one I just wanted to do as we're out and about, what we're doing in our everyday life really. So this is a property behind us that I wanted to buy. Now, I want to talk to you about joint venture deals, okay? What do I mean by that is by where it's not just about your money, but coming together with people, okay, and utilizing their money, which is called leverage. And a lot of you are not leveraging, so you're not being successful. So I want to introduce you to a business partner of mine, Gary. Okay, you'll see him on one of the entrepreneurial videos. He's got his own company, but you know, he's decided to invest on a second deal with me. So I really wanted him to talk about why he decided to come in on a joint venture rather than do it on his own, and I'll tell you why I had to do it as well. So Gary, this is the second property that we've done. We're about to do. So you've done the first one with me, which has been really good. But why did you choose to do that instead of just doing it on your own? Why have you come and joined me on this crazy journey of property investing?
Yeah, well, I think first of all, Denzel, I know your character, and also like our good friend Matt, who's also getting involved. It's about knowing each other, you know, it's about knowing people's strengths, also their weaknesses, but then also well, if this is what I can do by myself, what can we do collectively?
Powerful.
And are
like
we more,
it.
you know, if we unite? It's key, you know, some people can unite, and actually there can be less. So it's key that you choose the right people, just like in business.
Excellent.
But you know, it's more fun when we do it together.
I would say that.
We
be
do,
fun.
So fun is key, you know. Then choosing the right people. We work well together.
Fantastic.
So leverage is key.
Yeah. Has that obviously? I think you invested like 25,000, something like that. Yep. Stay close. We don't need to come out of the camera shot. Okay, so about 25,000. Now, the great thing is, if you imagine all of us put the same amount of money in, okay, that instantly goes up to like £75,000. So that gives us a lot more leverage in the market and stuff like that. But coming, like you'd never invested before, okay? I'd been an investor for quite a few years. Did that alleviate fears for you as well by coming in with someone who's already done it? So I needed your money, but were you then stealing my expertise?
You know, we can all read the books, right?
Yeah.
You know, we know there's the rich dad and everything. We can all read the books and we can go on courses and things. But I know for me, I'm a practical learner. I learn best by one-on-one with mentors, practically learning. So for me, you know, being friends with you, then also having that same, you know, passion for properties.
Excellent.
To then come on board and then to learn through you makes such a difference. Absolutely.
Excellent. Now this is a big project that he's about to get involved with. How does that feel? You know, because this is a big refurbishment that we're going to have to do on that one. But you don't even seem nervous. Okay. So how you feeling about this project?
For me, you know, as long as the numbers stack up, you know, we've gone through the data. You know, we've connected earlier on with an awesome builder, you know, surveyor, different things. So do I feel confident? Yes. Do you have to take a leap of faith? Absolutely.
100%.
That is there, you know. Don't see no nerves in you, Denzel.
I'm all right.
You know, if you was quivering. So
I'm feeling all right about this deal. I think this is a very good deal. Do you know what I mean? I think on this property, just being honest with you, I think there's probably about, if the numbers stack up in the way, I think there's anything between a minimum of 25,000 to potentially 40,000 on this deal. Okay, I'm just being real with you. Now, the great things I want to show you by me utilizing his finances, okay, and coming together, and we've got another guy, Matthew, who joins us on this deal, allows me to do more, to negotiate on deals like this that's not even on the market. Now, if I didn't have that, I couldn't potentially look at this deal on my own, because the amount of money that I'd have to put down, the amount of works, okay, I potentially wouldn't have that finance myself to do the deal. But coming together collectively, we can do more together than we can do apart. That sounds quite poetic, actually. We can do more together than we can do apart. So listen, if you're looking at investing, all right, look to see, you know, it might be your aunt, it may be your uncle, it may be a friend. You'd be surprised how many people have 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 sitting there, okay, and want to do a deal. Hey, listen, you may want to do a deal with us, okay? It may be that one day you're doing a deal with both me and Gaz, who knows? Okay, but if you're interested to learn a little bit more, hit us up. More than happy to talk to you about that. But look, listen, this is Gen Invest, keeping it real. This is not theory. This is not, a lot of people talk about doing property investing and they're not doing it. We're doing it, okay? So listen, hit us up. This is Gen Invest. Let's go out there and make some money.